I tried making these viral 2-ingredient sweet potato tortillas, and wow, they turned out amazing. With just 2 basic ingredients, they are so tasty and you can use them in lots of ways. Whether you like savory or sweet, these tortillas are perfect. And they are nutritious too, packed with all the good stuff from sweet potatoes. To begin making these sweet potato tortillas, start by cutting 4 small sweet potatoes into cylinders, then halve each cylinder. The reason we cut the sweet potato this way is that I will show you a super neat trick to peel them later so they won't fall apart when boiling. After chopping up all the sweet potatoes, place them in a pot or saucepan and add enough water to cover them. Next, cover the saucepan with a lid and boil the sweet potatoes over medium heat for about 20 minutes or until they are fork tender. Then remove them from the heat and drain off all the water. Now, let me show you how easy it is to peel the sweet potato when they are cut this way. Take each piece one by one and, with a gentle pull, effortlessly peel off the skin in a smooth motion, revealing the tender flesh underneath.
Wow!
Continue this process for each piece until they are all peeled and put the peeled pieces in the mixing bowl. Now, take a fork or potato masher and mash the sweet potatoes until they are nice and mushy and there are no lumps left in it. Next, measure out a 3/4 cup of mashed potatoes and add it to a mixing bowl. Then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and thoroughly mix the ingredients together. Because the mixture is quite doughy, I like to use my hands to mix it thoroughly and ensure everything is properly combined. Once everything is well mixed, sprinkle some flour onto a work surface. This will prevent the dough from sticking. Then transfer the dough onto the floured surface and start kneading. You will know the dough is ready when it becomes smooth and springs back when you press it with your finger. This ensures that the tortillas will be soft and pliable once cooked. Finally, shape the dough into a log for easy portioning. Now, cut the log into 5 equal-sized portions. Sprinkle some more flour on the worktop to prevent sticking, then shape each piece into a ball. Next, dust the rolling pin with some flour and roll each piece into a flat, round shape. After you roll out the tortilla dough, it should be very thin, almost to the point where light could pass through if you held it up. This ensures it will cook well and have the right texture for wrapping later. Now it is time to cook the tortillas! Heat the pan over medium-high heat until it is hot. Place a rolled-out tortilla on the skillet without any oil. Cook it for about 60 seconds until you can see it buff up a bit, and the underside has golden brown spots. Flip the tortilla over with a spatula and cook the other side for another 30 seconds until it has some golden brown spots too. Once cooked, keep the tortillas wrapped in a cloth to keep them warm and soft. Repeat this process with the rest of the tortillas. These sweet potato tortillas have a slightly sweet and earthy flavor that is great for both savory and sweet fillings. Their texture is soft and perfect for wrapping or folding without breaking. Adding sweet potato makes them moist and gives them a golden orange color, making them look as good as they taste. If you like this healthy and nutritious sweet potato tortilla recipe, then check out also how to make these super easy and yummy sweet potato oatmeal cookies here. Check it out now!